Hey guys, what's good? I'm PRAVEEN NAIR from Body Pro Coach Fitness, and this is one of the best things that has happened to me. Foodstrong gets you the best quality of protein. It's tasty and you can completely rely on this product. Alright, so this is my whole stack of the month, which I always place it a few days prior. So now we're going to open the complete box of Foodstrong and going to see that what have I placed the order. So you guys must have heard that, there's people who are really concerned about health or go to the gym or work out, or even up to an extent who does a normal basic exercise routine at home, also are really concerned about what do they eat. And when you eat the correct amount of protein or correct nutrition plan, you always have a great fat percentage. Alright, so this is how I maintain myself looking leaner all around the ear. And actually, this is the thing. This is Foodstrong. There we go. Woo. Alright guys, so we're gonna unpack them right now. The beautiful thing is that they pack it so beautifully. It's a sachet form, which means that you can actually carry them along with wherever that you travel. You can actually replace your meal. Now, for example, most of the time when you travel, it's very difficult that we get the right amount of protein or clean food, to be more precise. So when I'm traveling, what I do is that I carry Foodstrong 2 sachets, put some almond milk and mix it up and have it. So it actually replaces the meal, at the same time making sure that you get one of the best quality of protein. Alright, so we got something very, very interesting. I'm going to talk to you guys about the same thing. These are new products from Foodstrong. So when you're following a strict regime of diet, you want to have all those things backed up, which means that you're going to pre-plan your whole month in advance. So this is my stack for the month March. Now this is something so cool, it's so beautiful. Alright. This is exactly what you need. You don't need a really big shaker. It's a pretty small, written as Foodstrong, looks beautiful, and I like the color too. Alright everyone, so when it comes to protein or protein-based meal, to keep myself lean all around the ear at the same time, to feel good, to feel healthy, I use Foodstrong products. Okay? So now these are the proteins of Foodstrong. At the same time, as you notice that Foodstrong has come up with the new concept of sprouted moong chilla dosa instant mix, which means that it's only going to take about 10 minutes and you can actually prepare about 10 to 12 chillas. Alright, so amazing. You can actually take these products and keep yourself really, really lean, and that's exactly what we all are looking forward for. Use my code PRAVEEN10 to get a 10% discount on all the products that you're buying from Foodstrong. The website is foodstrong.com. Check it out and keep yourself really, really fit.